When filing your 1099 or 1098, you may like to bulk upload all of your recipients or payers using a spreadsheet. Start by selecting the 1099 or 1098 from the dashboard. For this example, we will demonstrate the self-service option. Select the tax form from the drop-down menu and select the tax year. Then click Save and Continue. If you need to add a new payer, you can select the Add Payer button, which is further explained in the How to File Form 1099 instruction. If your payer is listed, select Start e-filing. To add a recipient to the list, you can add information manually as explained in the How to File 1099 instructions or upload the tax form spreadsheet. To find and download the bulk upload spreadsheet, click Bulk Upload and then select the Download option. In columns B through D, colored blue, enter the recipient's information. Required fields are marked with an asterisk and must filled when uploading the spreadsheet. Avoid using punctuations such as commas and periods. If the tax ID is a social security number, the last name field is required. The recipient's email address is not required. Columns E and F, colored green, cover recipient's tax identification number. Select tax ID type and then enter the 9-digit tax ID. Columns G through M, colored orange, cover the recipient's address information. Avoid using symbols and characters in the address field. If this is not a foreign address, the columns K and L, foreign state and country, are not required. For a U.S. address, provide a 5-digit zip code. Columns N through P, colored purple, are not required and may be left blank if none of the information is available for the recipient. If there is no second tax ID for the recipient, select No from the drop-down menu. Starting from column Q, in colored green, provide the amount details for the tax form. The information in this section will vary between tax forms, so be sure to select the correct tax form when downloading the spreadsheet. The final section of the spreadsheet is for providing state tax withholdings. If there is no withholdings information, your state may not require you to provide any information in this portion of the form. You may add as many recipients as you like to the spreadsheet before uploading. Be sure to review before saving any changes. Return to your Tax2efile account when ready to upload your recipient spreadsheet. Select the Bulk Upload button, locate the spreadsheet file, and then click Upload to import the spreadsheet data to your recipient list. Once complete, a notification will show at the bottom left of the list to confirm your bulk upload. Once all your recipients are added, you can select each one, and then click E-File Selected Recipients. Review the information on the review section and click Save and continue to complete the payment and submission of your tax form. Complete the payment section by providing your payment details in the fields below and select Pay Now to complete the e-filing of your return.